Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button. I also want to remind you about the Chebe challenge that's going on for the entire year of 2019. And if you want to join that Facebook group, I'll leave the link in the description box. And the products I'm talking about today, the link to them will also be in the description box if you want to try them out. So I'm just going to do the pros and cons of the powder versus the butter, since I've been using them for 2 months now. It's going on month 3. So I just wanted to kind of come and go over some things that I've noticed. I'm using butter on one side and the powder on the other side. So we're going to start with the powder, of course. The powder, this is the powder that came originally light, and I darkened it by putting it in the oven. Did make a video on that, so be sure to check that out. But some pros for this powder, it pretty much works the same. I'm still seeing moisture retention. I'm still getting growth. It's still keeping my hair stretched and detangled. All of that. So it pretty much behaves like the one that I originally had. The only downside was that it came light and I had to darken it myself. The smell, I guess since I've been using it for so long, I'm kind of used to the smell, so I don't really notice it. It still has a smell, I'm sure. I just don't notice it anymore because I use it so much. And also, once you put this in and you use like your oils and your grease, it'll take the smell down, so it'll mask the smell. Downside for this one would be the color that it came in and that I had to darken it. But since it still works the same and I can darken it myself, I think it's still a win. So if you do want to try this out, it'll be in the description below. Con about the powder is that it's messy and it takes longer to apply. With the butter, a pro for the butter would be it's a one-step system pretty much. It's already mixed together. You spray your hair with water, put it on, and you're done. The butter. And if you're not familiar with the butter, that's what it looks like. It has Chebe in it. I like it. It keeps my hair moisturized and stretched pretty well. It does, it holds moisture about the same as the powder. So the moisture factor is good. It's just when you use the butter, it allows your hair, it doesn't keep your hair as stretched. Its con with the butter is that it still allows a good amount of shrinkage. The second con with the butter, the amount of shedding that I get when I detangle is more than when I get with the powder, and I think it's because it does allow my hair to shrink a bit. Pro with the butter, besides it being a one-step system and it's easy, it smells really good. Which one do I like better? I like them both. I think for my situation currently, like how I'm doing my hair, as far as just like basically threading it up and protecting it so that I can get to my goal length, I like the powder better because I feel like it keeps my hair more detangled, more stretched, and I don't get as much shedding. But so it depends on like what you're trying to do with your hair, which one to use. If I were to have braids or box braids or cornrows or twists, or just if I were to wear my hair out every day, then I would use this one because you don't notice it in your hair. It's easy to apply. Pros and cons of the butter and the powder that I've noticed so far. Again, it's only been 2 months of me using them side by side, but those are the things that I've noticed so far. I will continue to still use them. We're going into month 3 now, using both of them half and half. So I will keep you guys updated. If you have any questions, let me know. And I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you guys next time.